Hello all and welcome back to Experiment with Extension. I am Tristan Cope, Marion County's K-State and Research and Extension Agent for Family and Consumer Sciences and 4-H Youth Development. And today I wanted to share a fun recipe called Oobleck with you. So I actually just got done making my cloud dough from our other experiment that we had. And I had a little bit of leftover cornstarch that I poured into my bowl. And so for my cornstarch, I'm going to add some water to it. And I want to see what happens when my cornstarch and my water mixes. So before we begin our experiment today, please make sure that you've asked your parents' permission to do this video and then to use the rest of your cornstarch and some water for this experiment. Let's get started. So I have my cornstarch already in my bowl and I just got a little glass of water and I'm going to add some water to my cornstarch. Now this is a true experiment where we're going to see how much water and how it affects the cornstarch that we have in our bowl. So I'm going to start off adding just a little bit of water. Can you see there? There's a little bit of water in here. And I'm going to mix it with my hands and see what happens. So this feels really weird right here. It's kind of sticky. And cornstarch does something really fun when it starts to interact with water. See if you can figure it out before I tell you. Make sure you mix it real good in here. So it's kind of stringy and really sticky too. So for this cornstarch, I want you to try and I want you to hit the cornstarch really fast or touch it really fast there. You notice that when you touch it really fast, it acts as a solid and it doesn't move. You can put your hand on it and it doesn't move a ton. But if you put your hand in it, it acts like water when you push on it really fast and then you bring it up. This is a fun property that cornstarch has, and that's why it's used in different food additives, and so it can be added to different ingredients like soup sometimes, or for a gravy to make it thicker, kind of as flour does, but it's just an ingredient that makes things thicker for you for a different consistency. Sometimes you will learn about this in the Foods Project for 4-H, and it's a great way just to a fun experiment to try out and to use the rest of the materials that you have. So I hope you guys have had fun learning about Oobleck with me, and hopefully don't make as big a mess as what I did. But I hope you have a great rest of your day, and stay safe and stay healthy.